Hi guys, welcome to another live trading session with Optionables. I'm Saket and we are going to take a look at trades taken during the entire week. So as you know that the last video we posted was on 9th of March, that was a Tuesday, and since then we didn't actually get time to edit the videos and concise it and post it. So what we rather decided was we will let the entire week go by, and then we have consolidated all the videos starting from Wednesday, that is 10th of March. So we had stopped at 9th of March. So from 10th of March, which was expiry, till Friday, that is yesterday, which is 19th of March. So we have consolidated all the videos, and each video will be played for almost 2 minutes. So since it was financial year end, so we didn't get an opportunity to sit and edit the videos every day and post it on a daily basis. So maybe this week and next week we might be doing that. From April 1st onwards, we'll post it on a daily basis. So our only idea is to make sure that we give daily updates on the trade, and we don't miss out on any days, so that you don't feel that there might be a day when we would have made a huge loss and we don't post it. So we will try to be as regular as possible. So we had recorded all the videos from 10th of March, which was a Wednesday only, and we have cut short everything into 2 to 2.5 minutes, and you will be seeing the entire thing today. So the overall video is around 15 to 20 minutes, and it is a pretty long video compared to our usual video. That is because you have almost a summary of close to 6 days. Yeah, and starting off with Wednesday. Wednesday was an expiry day because Thursday, which was 11th, was a holiday due to Shivratri. So Wednesday itself was the expiry day, and Wednesday we were able to make some good profits. So I have just noted it down. So Wednesday we made a profit of close to 5.5 lakh, and I think that will be visible on your screens. So Wednesday expiry went really well, and for people who are joining us now, so we usually use 3 systems. One system at 10 o'clock in the morning, one system at 2 o'clock in the 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So we generally use 3 systems every day. So Wednesday on the expiry day, the trade went really well and we had absolutely no problem. So 1 o'clock trade also went well, 2 o'clock trade also went well. So overall we ended with a profit of 5.5 lakh. And then Thursday was a holiday because of Shivratri, and Friday was a day of consolidation. The morning trade, since the market is very volatile, you know that when the market is moving V-shaped, we are going to have losses, and that's what exactly happened on Friday also. The morning trade didn't go as expected and we had to suffer a loss, but later 1 o'clock and 2 o'clock trade helped us recover a bit. And so Friday we ended with a loss of 31,000. So Wednesday it was a profit of 5,50,000, and Friday it was a loss of 30,000. So we were left with a net positive of 5,20,000. So then we had 2 weekends, a Saturday, Sunday, where no trade was taken obviously, and then came Monday. Again, since the entire week was so volatile, the entire trade, the first 10 o'clock trade during the week didn't go well on any of the days except for the day on expiry, that is Thursday. So Monday we were able to end with a profit of 56,000. So if you can see in the video, you see that many of the days we had gone to 1.5 2 lakh, and later we dropped during the last session. So, and one more thing that I would like to tell is, during this entire course of time, we have kept our quantities low because we were trading with, generally we trade with 70 lots, but we have cut it down to close to 50 lots, and we are also planning it to cut it further down to 40 lots moving ahead, at least till 31st of March. After the financial year ends, we will be beginning a new financial year, and then we will also be increasing the quantity and taking more risk. So since the performance has been good till date, so we don't want to take higher risk and make it come down. So we are trying to go as conservative as possible. So that was with respect to Monday, where we ended with a profit of 56,000. So the market was consolidated. Again, I do believe that the 10 o'clock trade gave us a loss. I don't exactly remember what happened though, because it's been almost 4 to 5 days. So 10 o'clock trade mostly gave us a loss, and 1 o'clock and 2 o'clock trade helped us recover. And yeah, so now we were at a positive of 5,70,000, including Monday, Friday as well as Wednesday. Then came Tuesday. Tuesday was a very horrible day for us, because so the morning trade which we took at 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, hit stop loss on all 4 sides. And when something like that happens, it is terrible, and we are going to have huge loss. That is what exactly happened. Then on Tuesday, even 1 o'clock trade and 2 o'clock trade didn't go as expected at all. So it was a very horrible day for us, and we ended with a net loss of almost 3 lakh. So overall, we had a loss of 3 lakh on Tuesday alone. So we were at a positive of 5,75,000, and we dropped all the way back to 2,70,000 for the entire week. So Tuesday was a very bad day, and yeah, trades really didn't go in our favor. And yeah, so since we were low on quantity, so we are okay with bearing a loss of 3 lakh, because that's just around 1% of the total capital. So then comes Wednesday. Wednesday was again a day of consolidation where we couldn't make much, because 10 o'clock trade went wrong, and then we had to take 1 and 2, which helped us gain some money, and we ended with a net positive of 40,000. So that was with respect to Wednesday. So then came Thursday. Thursday was a absolutely fantastic day, but we couldn't capitalize on it. So there were 2 things which went really wrong for us. One, so we obviously have a hedge position as usual, and so when the market started crashing, so we decided, okay, it's the financial year end, let's not risk, let's book at a profit, a small profit which we get, because our profits had gone from all the way to 1 lakh down to close to minus 1.5 lakhs. So then we decided 10 o'clock trade will just come out with a small profit, how much ever we get. But unfortunately, that turned out to be a huge miss, because that single trade costed us close to 14 lakh. So that a trade alone costed us close to 14 lakh of opportunity cost. But it was not just that. So we could have still ended with a profit. So we booked it at very less. We booked it somewhere close to 60 to 70,000, and then which the opportunity cost for that was quite huge. It was very huge. And then 1 o'clock trade also, we did the same mistake. So again, we booked the hedge positions, and we were sitting with a profit of 4.5 lakh till 2 o'clock. And then so then what happened was, due to discretionary trades, so you know that on Thursdays we just don't stick to the system, we also take some discretionary trades. So due to some discretionary trades, the position went terribly wrong. So from all the way to from close to 5 lakh, 5.5 lakh, we dropped to negative of close to 1.5 lakh, 1 lakh. So it was a terribly wrong decision taken by us, but if we had left it till the end, it would have been amazing. So then we had gone all the way down to almost close to 1 lakh, and then we had to bounce back from there. We did again further discretionary trading, so we didn't see the market move anywhere quite significantly, because last hour it was consolidating with huge volatility. There was a lot of up move and lot of down move. So we saw a lot of consolidation within a small range, and then so we did manage to get back to 4 lakh just by doing short straddles at 3,800, 33,800. Yeah, sorry for that. Yeah, by doing short straddles at 33,800. And yeah, when Bank Nifty falls so much within such a short span of time, it really confuses you whether it's 34 or 35 or 33. Yeah, so we did get back to around 4 lakh, 4.5 lakh of profit. But then we faced another problem, and this was not our fault. We just wanted to get out at 4.5 lakh. And then this time the exchange, so the order placement, there was a problem with order placement, and when we called the broker, he told there's a problem with orders going to the exchange. So we really couldn't do anything with that because there was a lot of issue and we couldn't square off the position at all. I don't know if anyone else would have faced the same issue. So we couldn't square off the position at all, and then only one leg got squared off. Then we were left with one more leg of CE, and later 312 onwards the market started shooting up. So from all the way to from 5 lakh we dropped down to 1,70,000. So we absolutely had no choice in that because we didn't want to book like that, but unfortunately we had to book like that. There was, I don't know whether it was a problem with exchange or a problem with the broker, but we had to face the loss. So overall we made 1,70,000 from that. So 1,70,000 on a Thursday plus a 40,000 on a Wednesday gave us around close to 2,10,000. So we already had somewhere close to 5 lakh 50, so from 5 lakh we had dropped around 3 lakh, 5 lakh 50,000 to 3 lakh 50,000. So we had somewhere close to 2 lakh and odd. So we had around 2 lakh 30,000 or something, plus another 2 lakh made it somewhere close to 5 lakh 50,000. So no, sorry, 4 lakh 50,000. So as of Thursday we had 4 lakh 50,000, and Wednesday trade just gave us around 40,000, and we were now only left with Friday. And Friday was again so the market had fallen steeply and then bounced back pretty huge. So the bounce back was pretty huge, and I personally was expecting a huge profit booking or short covering in Bank Nifty because it had fallen close to 12% from highs. So that's the reason, since the market opened down, I really didn't want to take any calls at 10 o'clock because we were expecting a huge volatility in market, and that's the reason we didn't take any trade at 10 o'clock. We just took trades at 1 o'clock as well as 2 o'clock, and we managed to end with a profit of 1 lakh. So overall, all days put together, that is from Wednesday, that is 10th of March till 19th of March, we ended with a profit of close to 6 lakh for this entire week. So close to 5 lakh 80,000 to 6 lakh for the entire week, and that is for the entire trade summary for the entire week. And Monday onwards I'll try to make the videos and post it the same day itself if possible. So we'll see about that. And yeah, and coming to the market, just the general market view which I have. So I do feel that financials have corrected quite a bit, and I do see some positive momentum from here because it has corrected around 12-13%, and there's a very strong supply. There is a strong support zone at 22,700, 32,700, around 33,000. We do see a very strong support level. Many indicators also suggest the same, and we have personally gone long in financial stocks, and we also bought a lot of equities when the market corrected. So we added some Nestle, we also added Infosys, we added some Kotak as well as Bajaj Finserv. So these were, and Pidilite of course. So these were few stocks which we have personally added to our portfolio, and we do expect, we don't see a lot of downside from here. Our view can be wrong, but our personal view is that we don't see a lot of downside from here. We might see a bounce back, and later the market might correct, but yeah, so that is for the general view of the market. And as I tell in all videos, the only idea is to show that how trading can actually be done. It's not about making profit every day. As you saw, we haven't made profits every day. We have, out of last 5-6 days, we have 2 days of loss. But that is how trading works. You are going to have days where you make profit. You are going to have days where you make a loss as well. And yeah, so please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Please do like the video and share it with as many people as possible, because we want to be as genuine as possible as traders. So we don't want to post any fake screenshots or M2M screenshots and show that we are making so much. So we want to be as open and transparent as possible. Yeah. And thank you for joining in and watching this long video. And yeah, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot.